As reported by several German media outlets, the German military is set to obtain additional Leopard 2 A7V main battle tanks and new PZH-2000s, which will take the place of the tanks and self-propelled howitzers that were given to Ukraine. On March 27, 2023, a security source shared with Reuters that Ukraine received the 18 Leopard 2 A6 tanks promised by Germany in January, which was also reported earlier by German weekly magazine Der Spiegel. In addition, the source specified that the Ukrainian army has received 40 Marder infantry fighting vehicles. As a result, Germany is now in need of replacement tanks. To address this, FDP defense politician Marie-Agnes Strack-Zimmermann has confirmed the forthcoming purchase of a significant number of new Leopard 2 tanks. According to Strack-Zimmermann, Germany is on the brink of acquiring new Leopard 2 A7V tanks for its own army. This was revealed during an election campaign event in Munich and was reported by the German daily newspaper Frankfurter Rundschau. The Germany Ministry of Defense has stated that they intend to send 18 Leopard 2 A6 tanks to Ukraine, along with ammunition and spare parts. This is in addition to the 14 Panzerhaubitze 2000 PZH-2000 that Germany and the Netherlands had already delivered to Ukraine since the start of the war in the region. The Leopard 2 A7V is a newer and more advanced version of the Leopard 2 main battle tank, which has been developed and manufactured by German company Krauss-Maffei-Wegmann. It boasts greater agility, versatility, and technological advancements compared to its predecessors, providing improved survivability, firepower, and mobility. The German Army received the first of these Leopard 2 A7V tanks in December 2020. Furthermore, the Leopard 2 A7V has several notable features, such as a new modular armor package, improved power pack, upgraded command and control systems, and enhanced optics and targeting systems. It is equipped with a 120mm L55 smoothbore gun capable of firing different types of ammunition, including advanced kinetic energy rounds and programmable airburst munitions. While the PZH-2000, short for Panzerhaubitze 2000, is an advanced self-propelled 155mm howitzer that has been designed and manufactured by German companies Krauss-Maffei-Wegmann and Rheinmetall. It was first introduced in 1998 and is widely considered as one of the most potent and capable artillery systems available globally. For your information, the PZH-2000 is constructed using a modified Leopard 2 chassis and is equipped with a fully automated loading system, enabling rapid fire rates of up to 10 rounds per minute. Its 155mm L52 gun has a maximum firing range of around 30 kilometers with standard ammunition and up to 40 kilometers with the use of rocket-assisted projectiles. Several countries, including Germany, Italy, the Netherlands, Greece, and Qatar, utilize the PZH-2000. Its precision and long-range capabilities have been invaluable in various conflicts, such as the war in Afghanistan, where it has been deployed. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.